What's up, guys? I'm back once again with another update to the Losi Mini B. So, of course, I hadn't driven it. Hadn't had time. I've been waiting on some parts, and I actually got them. I had them about 2-3 weeks now. I'm just now getting a chance to open some of the parts up, and I'm going to show you a couple of them. But I'm going to show you something that I'm really excited about. I had for about 3 weeks now, but I'm just now getting around to it. We're going to unbox this. You guys have seen this 100 times, I know also. This is the Mamba Micro Extreme. This is, I think, the 5300 version. I've had several of these on different cars. RC18, the 14. I think I may even had one on my 14. I can't think the Associated 14. I can't think the Reflex. Well, I can't think the name of it, but on that car, I've had a million of these systems. Everybody have seen them. You know what we're looking at. Blah blah blah. ESC. That was the important part. I almost went with a Tekin, and I still may be building another one. I'm not sure yet. And then this is, you know, everybody's familiar with this also. We're not gonna open that. But you know what this is. But I do have something that you don't see often. I'm a big custom guy when it comes to my RCs. Not all of them. Certain ones. Got this into, I think about 3 weeks ago. And see what that says? I almost freaked out when I saw that. But I'm going to open this with you guys so you'll see what it is. Guess you guys got a little clue now. So I don't have to tell you what that is if you're in the RC world. Everybody know what that is. Now, this is my first motor from these guys. I have had the Steve New motor, but this is the TP Power. This is a hand wound motor. Just wanted to try something different. I see everybody's doing the Mamba, and everybody's doing, I can't think of the blue motor, but everybody's doing those. I wanted to do something different. I wanted something that would run a little bit more efficient. And of course, like I told you guys, this is just a project that I am using just to go outside and have some fun, because I don't have time to race anything like that. Now I got a whole bunch of stuff going on. I hadn't decided yet. I just got back into mountain biking. I'm thinking about putting some of that stuff on this channel, but I do have that other stuff on my main channel. But yeah, so this is the motor I went with. We're going to get this thing set up at some point. I don't know. I don't know when, but at some point I'm going to get it set up. And I'm going to show you some of the other things I got also. So, that was the... I ended up getting a bunch of stuff. I ended up getting this motor plate, but I have another motor plate by HR coming in. It just hadn't come in yet. So we got this motor plate so I can give you more settings, better settings. I'm not sure if I showed you these. I got this or not. I got the clear wing. I think that's just gonna look better. I got the T-bone rear bumper, and I am waiting on the wheelie bars to get in stock, back in stock, because I know with this setup that I'm doing, I'm definitely gonna have to have some wheelie bars. I have the MIP CVD kit. I'm thinking about getting the ball diff, but I don't think for what I'm using it for, I don't think I'm gonna need the ball diff. But I've had this for 2-3 weeks, maybe probably a month now. I have some other parts around here. I don't know where they are. I got a ton of stuff for it. I'm waiting on the wheelie bars, and that's pretty much it. I just got to get some time so I can actually get this thing set up. I think I'm gonna shrink wrap all this black because I don't like those colors. And I don't know what else I'm sure I got the opinions because I got a ton of opinions from other motors, or other cars that I've had in the past. I just got to get this thing set up. But guys, stay tuned because I think this thing is going to be a bullet. If it's anything like the Steve New motors, which I don't think I can compare this to a Steve New motor. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I don't know. But if it's anything like the Steve New motor, you guys have, yeah, you'll be thoroughly impressed with it. I'm going to put a link in the description also to a vehicle that I built a while ago. Well, it's been some years ago. It was a Mini E-Revo, and I had a Steve New motor in it. But I really never really did that kind of video on it. But if you just look at the build was sick. Really sick. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And stay tuned because I will be building this vehicle pretty soon. I'm probably going to do it in stages. Again, like I said, I just don't have time. So I'm going to build it in stages and you guys will see it as soon as I get it built.